When I think of iron, I think of Popeye. The image that comes to mind is Popeye clutching his can of spinach, gulping with his biceps bulging. Unfortunately though, he didn't get his strength from that spinach. Iron is a very important nutrient for our health and well-being. It carries oxygen around our bloodstream, so we really can't do without it. Iron in food is found in two forms: heme iron, which is found in animal foods, and non-heme iron, which is found in plant foods. Although plant foods do contain some iron, it is not well absorbed by our bodies. The best and most available source of iron is beef, as the heme iron it contains is well absorbed and more readily available to the body. Handy additions to the iron in beef are complete protein, zinc, and other vitamins and minerals. My kids are great fans of meatballs, and my easy anytime beef meatballs are the perfect way to incorporate locally produced beef. Enjoy solo as the perfect snack, or use as a base for the ideal pasta dish.